Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here. I'm back with another video. Today we got another vlog coming with JP.
Yes, sir.
We're on Lark Street in Albany again. We're going to Play Dead store called Camp, and we're going to Lux Albany. Lux Albany is like right in the corner right here. So we're gonna go ahead and see what they have. I'm not buying anything. I spent enough at the Lil Wayne concert, I think. I'm not gonna buy anything, most likely. Oh my God, I almost broke my foot.
Find something nice.
Unless if I find something, but after you go to these two stores, we're gonna go over to Crossgates, get some food because we're both starving, and
Freaking waited a whole hour.
so the store's right here. We'll go in now. Oh. Welcome to the vlog.
It's good, it's good, it's good.
So we're at the mall now. We're about to be at Laced Up. It's literally right up here. And then after that, we'll go eat, and then we'll go back because there is another store that just opened up down here. Just opened up this past weekend, so I want to check that out. Alright guys, we just got food. We've got Chinese, you guys.
So
see
good.
right there. So we're gonna eat, we're gonna hit up a few more stores and get out of here. out of Foot Locker. They had the Gym Red ones there. I was gonna cop those to resell, but small size they had was my size, which is an 11, and everything 11 and up is going for retail. I was trying to get a 7.5 because 7.5 is going for like $290. So, but L's again, but I can't really do anything about it. So we're gonna go check Champs, maybe Champs or Eblin's, or maybe even Finish Line has a pair. I don't really know if they got them in, but we're gonna see. Alright, bro, so we got the Yeezy drop. Alright, so we got these coming in. All white Yeezys, all white Yeezy 350 V2s. Coming in hot, 220. Boom, they sell. Guess what? Next colorway. Boom.
Oh.
Ooh, 220. Sell out. Oh, wait. Wait, we got more? Oh, we got more? Oh, another colorway. Oh, they restocked.
And you take an L.
Yeah.